Hi there, here's a quick video on how to change the battery in your LiftMaster garage door opener. You do not need any tools, but you are going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. So what you want to do is, on the back side here, if you have the visor clip, go ahead and pull that out, and you can use that to pry open the garage door opener. If you don't have that, you just need a screwdriver. So place it right here, and just work your way around the garage door opener and just pry the two halves apart. Okay, now you have access to the battery. Again, you can use the visor clip here or screwdriver. Just be careful. This little piece here is pretty delicate. So you want to take out your dead battery. The new one goes in negative side facing down. You kind of push it in that way first and down, and then line up these buttons with your buttons on the top half. Give it a good squeeze. Put your visor clip back on. You do not need to reprogram. You'll be all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.